What's up, y'all? Y'all getting the time lapse footage. I really wasn't trying to talk in this video, just do a bunch of going. Back deck, rear deck is in, and it do has lights. Back deck ain't got lights. Little quick tip for y'all. So for the fuse, okay, battery to the fuse, this is going to go like this. Boom, boom. Fuse on the fender. Now y'all see how they not flat, both of them? Just a quick tip. Start on one end and get the wire to where you want it on the other end and mark it. Mark straight up. The first side always gonna be whatever it's gonna be, and the other side is what you come up with. All right, and I got the black on here. This is ground for the big 3. And I'm finna go put some paper on this car because I ain't trying to scratch the thing up. I just been leaning over, so it's gonna go like this, and I'm finna cut right there, and I gotta get the angle. Real simple. Just thought I'd give y'all a little quick tip. I be trying to get y'all some info, man. Some people say I don't give nothing no more. I still give a lot of info in my opinion, because shoot, I've given away stuff that I paid $2,000, $1,500, $1,000, $800, $850. Shoot, flights, hotels, Airbnbs. Like, man, I know I'm still giving away a good bit of info. Some people just don't interpret it right, but I just thought I'd give y'all a quick tip. Left, right, brake, check engine, high beam. So you could, this is what you can use on this car. The cruise, left, right, that's the turn signals, high beam, brake, and check engine light. You should be able to use all that on your car, no matter what motor you got. They ain't even hook it up. Like, come on, man. Like, y'all charging folks and not doing the work. It don't make sense. Look what they did. They just stuck a terminal out, and that's what the dash is ran to. The terminal, I'm sure. It just slid out. The thing just slid out, bro.